How to uninstall Valorant. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can uninstall Valorant completely from your device. So first of all, you need to go ahead, click on this search icon in the bottom of the screen and then search for add or remove programs. Once it is opened, type in Valorant in the search list. You can also manually scroll down and search for Valorant. Once you find it, tap on it and then tap on uninstall, then tap on OK to confirm. If you have Valorant installed, you probably have the Riot client on your computer as well, which is the launcher for Valorant. So while the Riot client lets you prepare game files, it does not offer a uninstall option for Valorant itself. So first, fully close the Riot client application and then check your system tray to make sure that it's not running there. If it is, you can open your task manager and then go to the Riot client. Right click on it and then tap on End Task. So this is just an example to follow. After this, you can go ahead, open your File Explorer, go to your PC, then open your local disk, go to Program Files. From here, select Valorant, right click on it, and then tap on Delete. Delete every file and folder from your device and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.